All right, guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new adjustable bed frame. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So putting the adjustable bed frame together is actually pretty simple because the main structure comes pre-assembled. All you really need to do is attach the legs, plug in the motors, and connect in the control box. The frame itself is made from high-strength steel and is rated to support up to 1,000 pounds. So even during assembly, you can feel how solid and well-built it is. The legs come with 3 different options, 3 inches, 5 inches, and 8 inches, so you can customize how high the bed sits. If you want more storage under the bed, you can use a taller leg, but if you prefer easier access getting in and out, the shorter legs work better. Everything screws in by hand and tightens with the included tool. Once it's standing, you connect the motors. The frame uses dual independent motors, one for the head and one for the foot. They're surprisingly quiet, so adjusting the bed at night won't wake anyone. Now that it's built, here's what it looks like fully assembled. The remote lets you move the head and foot separately, so you can dial in exactly as you want. I just wanted to show down here, there is 2 USB ports on this side. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. There it is. So very, very cool. Like I said, 2 USB ports on this side and 2 USB ports on that side. So it can be very handy just so you can have all your electronics charged right next to you. All right, so as you can see, super simple install. Once you open it up, cut those zip ties, take out all the equipment that's in there, put the legs on there, stretch it out, and you're literally good to go. These are super easy to install as well. So I went ahead and put the batteries on here. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. We'll put a mattress on here in a second. I just want you to see how it works in action. So we'll do this one. Check it out. So you can see it's not super loud. I'm gonna go ahead and push it up all the way, see how it looks. And look at that. Very cool. It's like almost like as if you were sitting down. All right, so let's try this one. You can see it is folding up as well. So cool. Check it out. So let's go ahead and flatten it back out. So we'll go ahead and hit flat. Oh, easy. All right, and I actually just tested out this one. This one is 0 gravity. As you can see, this is the position for 0 gravity. This top one right here is for head and foot up. This one is for head and foot down. So this one is a flashlight, which is right here. Can come in pretty handy. This one is for the under bed light. And then this one is foot up, foot down, lay flat, head up. So let's go ahead and send it back to flat. And let's go ahead and actually put the mattress back on there. One thing that I did want to mention is for the anti-snore position, you can actually program this to the position that you would like. So if you just hold it for 3 seconds in the position in which you like the bed, you can go ahead and program it that way. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try out now with the mattress actually on it. There it is. Very, very cool. Let's flatten that one back out. Now let's do the feet up. You'll see here in a second. This part's raising up now. Very cool. So let's go ahead and just flatten out one last time. So you guys are looking for a cool bed frame that does, that can keep you at different positions however you like. Definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.